In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a link to a block in Notion. This is a super handy trick when you want to point someone to a specific paragraph, heading, checklist item, or any other block on a page. Instead of telling people to scroll around, you can give them a direct link that jumps right to the exact spot. First, open your browser and go to notion.com. If you already have the app, that's fine too, but the website works perfectly for this. On the homepage, click Login if you need to sign in, or click Launch Notion if you're already set up. Once you're in, head to your workspace. That's where all your pages, databases, and notes live. If you have multiple workspaces, just choose the one where your page is located. Next, open the page that contains the block you want to link to. A block in Notion is any individual piece of content, like a text paragraph, a to-do item, a heading, or even an image or callout. Scroll through the page and find the specific block you want to share. Take your time here. Choosing the precise block will make your link much more useful. When you found it, move your mouse to the left edge of that block. You'll see a 6-dot icon appear. This is the block handle. Click that 6-dot icon to open the block menu. In that menu, click Copy Link to Block. Notion will copy a unique URL to your clipboard. This link doesn't just open the page, it also anchors the view right to the block you selected. Now go to the page or place where you want to paste the link. This could be another Notion page, a task in your project tracker, or even a message in your team's chat. Right-click where you want the link to go, then click Paste. In Notion, the link can show up as a URL, or Notion may automatically format it into a cleaner-looking reference. If it appears as plain text, you can always turn it into a hyperlink or rename it for clarity. A couple of quick tips as you do this. If the block handle doesn't show up immediately, hover your cursor to the left of the block until the 6 dots appear. If you're collaborating, make sure others have access to the page so the link opens for them. And remember, you can repeat this process for any block you want to reference. That's it. Simple and powerful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.